Hello, designers and architects. Welcome to a brand new journey on my channel, CAADCraft Academy. I'm Anu, and I'm happy to have you join me as we delve into the captivating world of computer-aided architectural design, or CAAD for short. Imagine you envision a stunning building, an immersive landscape, or an inspiring interior design. But how do you bring that vision to life? That's where CAAD software comes in. Throughout this channel, we're going to explore various tools that empower you to turn your creative dreams into reality. From industry giants like Autodesk Revit and SketchUp to the visual wonders of Lumion and Twinmotion, we'll be taking a deep dive into these software gems. We'll learn how to harness their features, shortcuts, and hidden tricks that make your design process smoother and more efficient. CAADCraft Academy isn't just about showing you the tools, it's about guiding you through the creative process. We'll kick things off with user-friendly tutorials, step-by-step guides, and practical tips to help you navigate and master these software platforms. Are you excited? I know I am. To embark on this exciting adventure together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way, you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes filled with inspiration, education, and creativity. Thank you so much for being a part of CAADCraft Academy. I can't wait to see the incredible designs you create. Remember, in the world of CAAD, your imagination is the only limit. Stay tuned for my very first tutorial on Autodesk Revit, coming your way soon. Until then, keep designing and keep dreaming. I'm Anu, signing off. See you in the next video.